Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to West Bengal on Durga Puja. The Prime Minister virtually joined the Durga Puja celebrations through a video link. In a 30-minute speech, Modi spoke on the government's development push in Bengal, women empowerment, self-reliance and adhering to COVID norms during the Puja celebrations. Modi counted 30 lakh free houses, Ujjwala benefits for 90 lakh women, clean water at 8 lakh homes and 8,500 crore rupees grant for the Kolkata Metro. Prime Minister Modi used several Bengali phrases to express his vision for the state, which goes to poll next year. Prime Minister said that his government has always worked for the development of Bengal.
साथियों, इस बार हम सभी कोरोना के संकट के बीच दुर्गा पूजा मना रहे हैं। मां दुर्गा के भक्त, पंडालों के आयोजकों, सबने इस बार अद्भुत संयम दिखाया है। संख्या पर भले असर पड़ा हो, लेकिन भव्यता वही है, दिव्यता वही है। आयोजन भले ही सीमित है, लेकिन उत्सव का रंग, उल्लास, आनंद असीमित है। यही तो बंगाल की पहचान है, यही तो बंगाल की चेतना है, यही तो असली बंगाल है। हाँ, मेरा आपसे ये आग्रह जरूर है कि मां दुर्गा के पूजा के साथ ही आप 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क पहनने और अन्य नियमों का पालन भी पूरी निष्ठा से करें। देश में आज महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण का भी अभियान तेज गति से जारी है। चाहे जन धन योजना के तहत 22 करोड़ महिलाओं के बैंक खाते खोलना हो, या फिर मुद्रा योजना के तहत करोड़ों महिलाओं को आसान ऋण देना, चाहे बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अभियान हो, या फिर 3 तलाक के खिलाफ कानून, सेना में परमानेंट कमीशन, देश की नारी शक्ति को सशक्त करने के लिए निरंतर काम किया जा रहा है। महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को लेकर भी सरकार सजग है। रेप की सजा से जुड़े कानूनों को बहुत सख्त किया गया है। दुराचार करने वालों को मृत्यु दंड तक का प्रावधान हुआ है। बंगाल में करीब करीब 30 लाख गरीबों के लिए घर बनाए जा चुके हैं। उज्ज्वला योजना के तहत करीब करीब 90 लाख गरीब महिलाओं को मुफ्त गैस कनेक्शन दिए गए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना के जरिए बंगाल के लगभग 4 करोड़ गरीबों के बैंक खाते खोले गए हैं।
Let's now listen in to all the political reactions coming in on the story.
We have seen the biggest of political leaders funding and organizing the Durga Pujas. We, as Bengalis, we were all part of Durga Pujas in some way or the other. But we never got to organize the puja because anywhere we were invited to open a Durga Puja. Trinamool through ruckus, they broke places, they cancelled those programs. So I think politicizing Durga Puja is one thing, and getting the political leaders of the political parties to organize a festival is another thing. So it is petty-mindedness, narrow-mindedness. If Trinamool Congress, they are staying in the glass house themselves, if they try to throw stones on others.
कोई करेगा तो करेगा, ये क्या होगा? करेगा तो करेगा, पूजा के लिए कोई करेगा तो। किंतु मेरा चीफ मिनिस्टर हर साल भी पूजा इनोग्रेशन करता है, जाते हैं और मुंह से देखता है। और कोई इस साल भी 6 महीने बाद इलेक्शन है, कोई इलेक्शन का टाइम में कुछ व्यापार होता है। जो होता है तो मुंह से ही होता है। और हम लोग ये देखता है, कोई इलेक्शन टाइम में ज्यादा करता है।
Let's now take a look at this ground report from one of the famous pandals in Kolkata.
The migrant crisis has become a recurring theme across Durga Puja pandals in West Bengal this year. And one enduring image of that entire migrant crisis in the past several months has been the image of a small child who is sleeping on a suitcase while being pulled by his mother. And that image has come alive in a sense at one of these pandals here in Kolkata, in East Kolkata's Keshtupur area. And not just that specific incident, but another image that is still fresh in our minds all during the migrant crisis. That episode was, here is a lady who was trying to cycle and take her ailing dad home over the cycle, cycling for miles and miles. That theme has also been brought to life here in this very pandal. Another very important event that has really been etched in our memories is that of the tragic event of a few migrants losing their lives on a trail track. The train is there, a life-sized coach has been created, and at the same time you have these migrant laborers who are shown literally sleeping on the train tracks, who have tragically lost their lives. Another very important episode a few months back was that of how some good Samaritans emerged from our society, celebrities who organized buses, conveyance, vehicles. And one person who played a very key role, of course, was Bollywood actor Sonu Sood. So his life-sized image has been put forth here at this pandal with a bus in which migrant laborers were sent back home. So Sonu Sood's image also finds a mention at this pandal in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of an economic crisis. All that has affected our lives have come to life at this very puja pandal. And even though this has been a recurring theme, what the artists here tell us is that we've all seen these images on television. How about seeing them face to face, right in front of your eyes, so that we also are able to feel the pain and the suffering of the migrants who work tirelessly, in a sense, to make the lives of city dwellers a little easier. With camera person Probir Biswas, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.